What's up, y'all? It's your girl Steph.net. This is going to be a quick video because I just finished doing my hair. Although, as you can see, it came out bomb as hell. And this is going to be a quick video on what I do with my hair when I go to the gym. And honestly, I'm really putting this to the test because I've never done my hair and went straight to the gym. Usually, you know, my hair will be done and then it'll be like maybe a day or two before I have to go to the gym. So my hair isn't like 100%, you know, it's already like day 2 or 3 hair. I feel like starting on freshly done hair will really tell how it preserves it, because, you know, I want to be looking bomb like this still. You know what I mean? I got to go to work tomorrow. I still want to be looking this good. So I'm really going to put my routine to the test, and I figured I would go ahead and record it and show you guys what I do, and we going to see together if it really works. The first thing that I like to do is I like to section my hair based on how I wear it. And as y'all see, I have the bang here in the front, and that is definitely what I want to preserve this. I style my hair in the way that I want it to fall and dry. So when I section my hair for the gym, I section it in that same way because I want to preserve that shape. So I'm gonna take this front section and I'm gonna take a scrunchie and I'm just gonna put that around one time. I'm gonna do the same here on this side. And I'm just separating it where it separates naturally on its own. I'm not like snatching it. So I'm gonna take this section. My hair is still low-key kind of wet, so these are like super, look at these curls. I don't even want to stretch them out. So I'm gonna push it more towards this way because I don't want my bang to get stretched too much. Put that around one time. So this is basically what I do, and then I just go to the gym like this. Now, since my hair is super fresh, I high-key want to put my bonnet on because I really want to preserve this. Like, it's looking super good. Generally, on a day where if it's like second or third day hair or whatever, I just do it like this and go. I think I'm gonna put a scarf on. Yeah, I'm gonna put a scarf on. All right, y'all, so I made it to the workout. This is what I got going on. I ain't worried about being cute. I'm worried about trying to preserve this hair, so.
I want you to get off of the camera right now because you're late and you're not on time.
I am back. I already had to come out of my shirt because it was completely soaked, but I wanted to just come on camera and see how my hair held up. But I ended up, oh, I got deodorant. No, don't mind that deodorant. I ended up putting a scarf on. How we held up. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. We're gonna bring it back, that's okay. Here he come to bother me. Yes, Tyson.
I'm bearing gifts.
I shouldn't be eating.
You eat that.
And I see chips.
Well, let's stop cussing on camera.
Oh, well, I cut it out.
I'll eat them. You don't need them.
Give it here.
No, I'm just gonna
Let me show the camera. Let me show the camera what you brought me for after we came back from the gym. Come on.
I already gave it to you.
Come on, give it here. This what he brought me. This how much he care about me.
I bet you don't eat it though.
You want me to stay fat. that? Like, I feel like you be doing this on purpose. This the proof, because don't nobody believe me.
The brown bag of jerky, she can eat that.
Okay, he had to have jerky, but why would you get this?
You better eat it in person. You better read the serving sizes and do 12 or whatever you get down. Shit you gotta eat.
I'm so done with you. Anyway, that's what I need to be doing. He the reason why I'm fat. Dr. Now will be cussing him out right now, because I could have lost 15 pounds by now if it wasn't for him bringing these snacks all the time. Okay? But anyway, let's just see if what it looked like out. I feel like it worked. And this was not no punk workout neither. Like, this was the real. I'll insert some footage of the kind of stuff we be doing. It wasn't no punk, okay?
Here you go. Let's go, fellas. Good job. Good. Keep it up. Let's go, gentlemen. Yes. Come on, Z. Get it to the chest and back up again. Get it to the chest and walk it out. Let's go. Get it up. Walk it out. Come on now. Stop. Do it again. Go. Press it out. Come on now. Come on, Z. Make big time. Big time. Big time.
My hair is still kind of wet, but that's like, at this point, that's wet. Let's shake it out. And this is what I would do in the morning too, is just, you know, kind of pull it out, reshape it. But see, since I had the scrunchies the way that I did and had it sectioned off the way that I did, it kind of just already is in the shape that I had it in. All right, so that was like a major test to see if what I be doing holds up. The fact that my hair was completely fresh lets me know that that definitely works, because I feel like my hair still looks good. My wash and go generally will last me about 3 or 4 days. I feel like it lasts me a whole week, because I'm not afraid of, as it frizzes up, I just continue to rock it. As long as it's keeping its shape and it's not getting flattened out, then I'll just keep on rocking it. But yeah, that is what I do to preserve my hair. I hope that was helpful for you guys. Comment down below and let me know what you guys do to preserve your hair. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.